I'm gonna get you in a minute. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here.
No. I'm glad it flowed.
Oh my god.
Oh, keep this thing.
It worked! It's hot. Oh Lord. Here, I'll sit on it. Hold on. Alright, this thing is hot. Let's go. It's hot. Ain't no dang shade on this pond.
It's very shallow right now.
So we don't drag. Alright, so what's the plan? I push off and hopefully get in the boat without dying? Ow! Ow! I forgot. That thing hurt. God, that thing went right between my legs. Alright, so what you doing? It's a nice day out here on the lake. Or as you could call it, the mud hole. There's many fishes in here. And I see a turtle. Or possibly a small alligator. Turtle right there.
Alright.
Come on, small. Oh, the alligator has left.
I'm putting one in the back.
Oh my god. Wait, is there one hole or two holes? Whee! What you plan on doing? Okay, if I push you in the water, can you drive back over on the bank so I get in? Yeah. Alright, let's go. Whee! Ready? It's picking the trailer up. Oh, hopefully not.
Wait.
It's going. It's unraveling. No. Sit it back down. Alright. Come on, boat. Let's go. I told you. I know what I'm doing. Come on, you fat boat. Can you sit on the bottom? This ain't good, dude. Alright, trailer's up in there. Just tell me when I can push.
Push it.
I can't with your fat self in this thing. That's what I'm saying. Just wait, hold on. Oh, it's light now. Well, you should have had it up.
Alright, it's up.
Who's gonna get in the boat? Right.
I mean, we got it right now.
That don't mean nothing. The trailer might go with it. Alright, let me get on the front of the trailer. You keep. Alright, go with it. Don't move. Hey, I need help. I'm trying. Quit moving so much. Woo. Huh? We want me to do it? Yeah. We good. Very enjoyable. Gas and air is great. We have an issue. It's blowing the exhaust right in my face. I'm a die of exhaust thing crap. Yeah, cut off. Everything cut off. I wish the fan would stay on, but it didn't. Ow, my foot stuck. Well, out on the water today, boys. Oh, Lord Jesus. Can I hook him and throw him in the boat? We're moving pretty fast. We're in a mud hole today. I'm comfortable. I don't know about you. I'm doing great. Oh God, we're both leaning on the same side. Do that.
If we go in reverse,
Reverse.
I'm not lined up.
Crank, bait. This is not gonna work, but you know what? I don't care. Never used this bait before. It's on here. This thing is shiny. Is that a snake in a tree?
Is it?
I don't know. Hey.
Go for it, son. Go for it.
I don't have. I don't know. Alright, we got this. Ooh, look at that thing. Special color. Ooh, I hope there ain't a snake in there. Come on.
You're a frog.
Oh, I got a bunch of frogs. Look now. I hope that. I need to back up because I don't want to mess with no snake today. She left. I don't want to. Hey, no.
Snip, snips.
Dog likes them to chew it. Huh? Yeah, my dog likes to eat snips. Really? I got tools. Yeah, my pants.
You want to race?
This is fun. We ought to get 2 boats out here and do like a track.
No,
You find 4th gear?
7.
7. She cut off. I got a paddle. Hold on, I got you. You want to turn? Which way you want to turn?
Making daggers,
We're turning this way. No, we going this way. Oh, rowing! Look now, I'm at the front of the boat. Oh, we drifting now. I got you. This is why we have a paddle in the boat. Trying to drift. Can we go to the bank so I don't die? Yeah, you said that when we went all the way around the dang pond.
You got to hit it just right.
Hit what right? The bank? That's the only thing to hit out here.
Now you got to hit the motor just right.
Wait.
Catch that duck. I just remembered I did about that.
Thank you. Oh God. Okay. This, you do realize it was on. We had to like fall it in there. So we could just leave it in the water for right now and not have to worry about picking it back up. Buddy. You good? How about we just leave it tied to the trailer?
Go get the thing.
Alright, let's just leave it tied and then we can come back later. Ah, the thing's hot! What are you doing? I am positioned perfectly. That thing is hot. If you don't quit moving. I'm already in.
Get out.
I'm working on it. Alright, do not move. That's what she said. Oh no! I didn't even mean to do that. Alright, get back straight. Hold on a sec. Fast as you can. Oh Lord. You good? If I fall in the water, I'm gonna cry. I can't. It's up to you. Oh, whoa. Where are you going? Have fun. Is that long enough? Dadgummit. What are you doing? It's coming out, the propeller's coming out of the water. You coming? Come on! Hurry up! Ram it. Ram it. Oh God! Yeah, I know. Yeah, look at it. Hey, it'll be alright. Let's go.
Can you finish this? Ready?
No. If it's that battery, I'm not catching it. Oh, this is going to be great.
Ow, that's acid.
Rinse your hand off in the water.
That's acid.
Well, don't carry it then. It'll eat your skin off.
Alright, you got to grab this thing.
No. You throw it on the bank. You ain't gonna make it nowhere. It's not gonna happen. It's gonna go kaploom. Would you be mad if I went in the water? Nice. Hey, fell in the water. You want me to tighten it back up? The cord. No. I done caught one. So technically right now, well, I need to get in that shade again. I caught a monster. I got one. I got a monster. Where's my drag so loose?
Is that corn?
I don't think so.
Looks like it.
No, we're gonna. What are you fishing with? Shit. You scared your own self.
We might have a problem.
Why?
I have power.
Why? What? Oh Lord. Something tried to bite it. Caught our most of our fish in that corner, or on that thing right there.